My name is Nova and I'm a sneaker reseller. Join me in my journey where I turn hype sneakers into riches. Bro, no way! The first drop is going to be Yeezys in 30 minutes. Alright, so I'll be focusing on Sakai's now. Dude, TSB, thank you. Today I managed to get 3 dunks. Today we have Kobe Grinches dropping. Oh my gosh, yo, Balco is killing it right now. Do have Bodega dunks dropping not too long from now. Are we even gonna get a chance to get them? We'll find out on the next episode. I have a sore throat and I feel like crap, so my energy levels are going to be at an all-time low. Hopefully I don't have the you-know-what. I am gonna get tested, but regardless of that, there are sneakers dropping, so we gotta go for them. We have Bodega dunks. These look crazy and these are very important, so I wouldn't be surprised if Bodega changes something up to really throw off bots. So I'm not sure what to expect, but I do know I have to be prepared for anything that comes my way. Oh, I got one. Alright, I was able to get one. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get any with bots, but as far as I can see, bots weren't very successful. I was really hoping I was able to get 2 because I did have gamma proxies on another Chrome instance, but yeah, I just never got through the queue, but it's all good. Got one. Pretty happy about that. Just gotta hope I don't get cancelled. We got 4 of these that came in today, we got dunks that came in, and we got Sakai's that came in. Let's have a look at them. First up, we got 700s. I don't know, it just feels a bit too basic for me. Even though I like basic colors, I'm not feeling these. I don't know why. Maybe it's just me, but yeah, it's alright. We got women dunks. I think these are beautiful. However, the resale prices on these aren't really as good as I expected them to be. But hey, they're dunks and they usually go up over time, so I'll be holding on to these. The Kais are always so beautiful. I am glad I was able to get this one. Really interesting details. The color combination that they chose for this is absolutely beautiful. One thing that I just noticed is that this is transparent, so you can see my fingers. Anyways, tomorrow Bodega dunks are dropping again on Nike sneakers. The bad news is that there is a small chance that I will not be home to be able to run for the drop, so I might need to get Joy to help step in and like operate my bot or maybe I'll team view. I'm not sure what the deal is, but I'm just hoping that I am home in time, because tomorrow I am going to be getting a test to make sure I don't have it. So we'll just see what ends up happening. Okay, so basically the clinic is going to text me 30 minutes before I have to walk in to get the test. The bad news is that my computer is like malfunctioning. I don't know what's going on, but I feel like it's an issue with the keyboard, so instead I'm going to be botting on my laptop. It is just a Nike release, so there's a good chance I'm not even gonna get anything, but whatever, we'll give it a try. Oh, what the? Dude, I got him on my phone! What? Yeah, I got it on my phone. Dude, that has not happened in such a long time. You're probably wondering, Nova, how can you possibly be infected if you never leave the house? Well, I dropped off some Christmas gifts to my really big family, and I guess that's all it took to have possibly caught something. The rapid test results came back and apparently I was negative. Yeah, just stay safe. If you can avoid being with other people, I guess do that, because it doesn't take much to catch something. Anyways, we did get a box in today. Oh my gosh. Honestly, I wasn't expecting this to be that soft, because I remember the dog walker, or basically any shoe that has like fur, it's always felt like super duper rough. It felt like facial hair. That's what it felt like. But for this, it feels like feathers. Really soft. Does have an extra pair of white laces. Got this on the tongue. Really dope. I'm probably just gonna hold on to these just because I think they're so cool. We got shoes that came in today from Nike. This is the first thing that comes up when I open the box. I don't know what the idea was behind this, but it is what it is. Here we have a very beautiful shoe, and the quality is on point. As always with Dunks, really. Looking at the pictures, I thought that this would be a sneaker that would probably be uncomfortable to wear, almost like wearing a leather shoe, but I was definitely wrong. However, I do have to say that this bit might be a problem. If the back of your heel is rubbing up against this, I would imagine that wouldn't be too fun. Today we have Jordan 1 Vault Golds dropping. I'm not actually taking this drop very seriously. I'm only gonna really be focusing on the GS sizes, and my setup is gonna be pretty minimal in comparison to what I normally do for shoes that release for a lot of websites. So I'm gonna be using Kylan and Ganesh for foot sites, Sol and Balco for Shopify, and I'm also gonna use Sol AIO for Finish Line, and of course the legendary TSB for Nike sneakers. This might sound like a lot to some people, but it really isn't, especially in comparison to some people who run slots that have like 50 bots running at the same time. Okay, maybe not 50, but like 20. That is not an exaggeration. But I'm keeping it light, keeping it simple. Let's see how many I end up with. I got 429 because my delays were too low, but how the hell do these guys get away with running 1500 delay? Look at the delays. Freaking crazy, bro. Where's the capture, dude? Oh my god. Fuck off. No way. That's not a bicycle, bro. finish line, my boy. Another one. Yes, I got a GS size. Another GS size. Dude, Soul AIO is destroying, like straight up. Nah, dude, I got 5 of them canceled. The ones that went through were grade school sizes though, so I don't know. That's pretty good, I guess. Let's go, Kylan. I did alright, nothing too crazy. I got a total of 16 checkouts. Out of these 16 checkouts, 10 were grade school sizes, 6 were men's, and the bad part is I got 10 of them canceled. We should expect a total of 6 of these shoes to arrive. In addition to all of this, grade school band mids restocked, so I managed to snag 2 of those. I was only running a few tasks for those. Don't care too much about them, but yeah, nice little bonus. Anyways, this guy came in the mail today. I totally forgot that I even got this. If I'm not mistaken, next week we do have a bunch of dunks dropping. Generally, the drops have been pretty dry recently, but it's all good. We'll see what I end up copying on the next episode.
Valious.